Welcome back to Hal and Mike's Mystery Unboxings.
Mystery unboxing.
What do you think?
I think mystery is good. Even I do not know. Somebody's got Somebody's got to know.
I have to know.
You have
I'm
to
ordering
know.
this stuff.
Let's face it, but I do not know anything.
Oh,
Man. Oh.
this
A
is the
projector.
ViewSonic M1 portable cinema projector.
Well, excuse me.
Look at this box. Feel it. Feel it. Just
Man.
feel the top.
Oh
there.
yeah.
It's very smooth. It is a 2018 Design Award winner.
The box is a design award
The box
of the product.
is the best box they've ever made. You remember we've had mini projectors before.
We have.
They were rectangular,
Yeah,
very thin.
small little
And then you
thing.
had to like screw on a stand.
Yes.
Okay, two parts.
But you could put it in your pocket.
You could, that's true.
Yeah,
I didn't think about
that's
that.
hard
But
to beat.
this, my friend, I'm gonna see if I can just do one and we'll just flip it open, you know, like a. Ooh. I don't know if I'd start with a quick start. I guess so.
Yeah.
Very nice. It's got a little weight to it.
So
This is it, I'm pretty sure.
no. It's not. It can't. It's too heavy. Otherwise, they put a brick in it just for weight size.
So the one that led me to this was, our last one didn't have the best sound. This one has Harman Kardon speakers in it.
Okay. Now
And
you're cooking with gasoline.
apparently, the stand
There you go.
is built right in.
Yeah. Oh.
You see what I'm saying?
And the minute you open it,
Is it
It
on?
turns
Oh, it's on.
on.
Oh, yeah, we're on.
yeah, pretty cool. Now do that again. I want to see if that was just a mistake.
Well, look, there's no other power. Oh, there's a power button. Okay.
All I want to know is when you do that.
Would you look right into it?
No, I don't want to look into it. See, it doesn't come on automatic. Oh, it does come on automatic.
Those little design boogers.
No kidding. Maybe it wasn't just for the box.
There's got to be input somewhere. Which maybe.
Lift that up. There
Oh,
you
there you go. Okay,
Look
so
at
all these
that.
little in.
I'm not a big unboxing guy like you, right?
Yeah.
I'm just an old dude. But you need to say there's a USB, HDMI, there earphone, USB reader.
Yep.
Pretty slick.
You know, I'm not-
and even a micro card.
SD card, yeah.
Wow.
I'm not crazy though about this.
You think?
No.
What's wrong with that?
Well, if you're going to be sticking things in, you're going to be. This is going to break off at some point.
Okay.
The last one you just stuck it in the side. They went for design here, so that it looks nice when it's
Yeah,
all clean.
yeah.
But most of the time you have it, it's going to need to be like this,
Yeah.
dangling out.
Yeah. Well,
It's a little thing, but it's still a thing.
dangle or dongle.
Okay, so what we have
That's
here is
our
our
word.
Bible Talk offline
Yeah,
drive.
sure. Bob's
So,
offline drive.
Nearly 1,000 videos all on one hard drive.
One hard drive.
Which we apparently should be able to plug into this
Straight
thing.
in and play.
Right.
Remote. Go ahead. You're the.
What'd you do with your hand there?
Just
Boxing fight?
Well, yeah, 12th round knockout. Too much.
12th round
Anyways,
knockout?
I don't want to talk about
This-
it.
Okay, let's go into our Bible Talk drive.
Kaboom, kaboom, kaboom went the deafening sound in the garage as Paul, my oldest
good
son,
audio.
Pretty
sent
good sound.
shot after shot off the
max
dent-covered
volume.
wall, serving as his target. You see, hockey players need to practice
So-
shooting, and I couldn't blame him,
Is it
even if my
Is it at
Max brightness is what you're thinking? or-
max volume?
That was max volume right there.
Pretty good.
garage wall was full of holes.
This is not a pocket mode, but this is a great put it in your briefcase mode.
Yeah.
If you're like, let's face it, with all the features, all the connectivity, it works on battery power.
Yeah.
You don't have to plug it in.
The audio was much better on this.
Oh, yeah,
The
much
price point though of our
How
other
much is
one.
this one?
This is 300. The other one was 200.
If somebody's got he wants to use it all the time in a classroom where there's 20 people,
Yeah.
he'll go an extra $100 to get the
Better sound.
quality.
So if you're a businessman
Yes.
and you want to impress your boss, then maybe you should get him one of these for Boss's Day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Or
Oh, happy Boss's Day.
yeah, sure.
So if you have a stinky, snotty-nosed kid who,
You don't
needs
want to
a-
buy him a TV.
Yeah. Maybe
You
this
get him
isn't
one of
it.
these things.
Yeah,
you
one of
know?
these. And then he breaks it within a week.
How long is it guaranteed for? Yeah. How much do people enjoy watching some guy looking at instructions on the internet? There's probably a channel there.
Power button here. I don't know why you need a power button. It just turns itself on.
Well,
All right.
all right, very good.
Wrap it up.
Okay. Well,
Should we just laugh just to like end on laughter? Because I feel like if
is that enough?
that's enough.
Okay.